Everyone's talking about making money online, but most of them, scammers, fake gurus, affiliate bots, AI hype junkies. You're not looking for theory. You want legit cash, real income, no fluff, no crypto Ponzi. So here it is, the top 5 real ways to make money online in 2025, used by people who actually escape the system. And the scary part, most of you won't do any of them. You're trapped in a 9 to 5, wasting 40+ hours a week building someone else's dream. You're underpaid, underappreciated, and every year inflation eats your savings. But here's the truth they don't want you to hear. The internet is the greatest weapon ever created for the self-made, while others scroll memes and chase dopamine. A new class of online kings is rising, earning 10K, 50K, even 100K a month with nothing but a laptop and a mindset shift. The system wants you broke. Here's how to escape. These aren't some 13-year-old kiddie pool side hustles. You're about to dive deep into the ocean where the real money is made. Now stay sharp. These tactics work best for those with drive, focus, and an internet connection. Daydreamers need not apply. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1, AI-powered freelancing, writing, marketing, video editing. AI won't replace you, but the people who use AI will. Businesses don't want employees, they want fast results. With tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Pika, you can deliver elite content fast. Go on Upwork or Fiverr. Offer AI-powered services. Example, you write a blog post in 1 hour that looks like it took 5. You're one prompt away from replacing someone's 9 to 5 job. They need content, graphics, marketing copy, product mock-ups. All of it's done with AI. The catch? You must add your human touch, strategy, creativity, consulting. If you blend AI and hustle, you'll command top dollar. The future is AI-powered freelancing. Are you in? Number 2, faceless YouTube channels. You don't need to be famous. You need to be consistent. Your face is optional. Your bank account will love it. How does this work? Step 1, leverage AI voices like 11 Labs to create content. Step 2, use tools like Pictory or InVideo to create videos. Step 3, find royalty-free music and stock footage. Step 4, edit and upload. It's that simple. Niches: luxury, motivation, scary stories, or finance. Choose a topic, add value, then monetize with ad revenue, affiliate links, and sponsored deals. Thousands are making 3K, 30K a month, and the best part, it's all passive income. While you sleep, the content keeps bringing in views and cash. While others watch YouTube, you get paid from it. Number 3, skill-based digital products, not courses, assets. What's stopping you from making money from your skills? You have valuable knowledge, experience, and abilities, whether it's writing, design, fitness, or business. You're sitting on a gold mine. Package it and sell it. Create templates, Notion systems, swipe files, presets, themes, widgets, code snippets, workout plans, anything that helps people save time and achieve faster results. People love speed and shortcuts. Charge for it. Where to sell? Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip. You don't need 1,000 sales, just 50 people who pay $30, 1.5K per month. Don't just learn skills, turn them into assets that bring in income. Number 4, TikTok to digital product funnel. Stop scrolling TikTok. You're already inside the funnel. Why not own the scroll? Step 1, pick a niche. Fitness, AI tools, business hacks. Step 2, make 3 engaging videos per day targeting that niche. Step 3, link a digital product in your bio, an ebook, a mini course, a coaching offer. Step 4, use Linktree to upsell other products. Now, when someone engages with your content and sees value, they'll click that link and enter your sales funnel. It's free organic traffic to your offers. It doesn't cost you anything. You only pay for what you choose to promote. Adapt this strategy across different social media platforms and watch your income grow. Number 5, AI niche sites, affiliate SEO. Google still prints money for those who understand the game. Small niche sites can earn 505K a month from affiliate links and display ads. Here's how. Step 1. Create 5 to 10 pages on a new website. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to generate high-quality articles on evergreen topics within your niche. Finance, health, pets, relationship, mindset. Step 3. Use tools like Surfer SEO or Neuron Writer to rank your content on page 1 of Google. With AI, you can publish 100 articles in a week. Step 4. Place affiliate links naturally in your content. Rank higher, earn more. This method takes time, but once established, these websites can bring in passive income for years. While others binge Netflix, you could build a digital cash machine that pays forever. But here's the bitter pill. Most people watching this will nod, feel inspired, and do absolutely nothing. They'll go back to scrolling, back to their job, back to broke. But if just one of these ideas clicks for you and you go all in, you'll never work for a boss again. No fancy degree, no investors, just execution, because money isn't the goal. Freedom is. You feel it, don't you? The pressure to escape, the anger at being lied to. This channel is for the 1%, the ones who act. If that's you, hit subscribe. Welcome to the 1%. We keep it real here. No fluff, no hype, just results. Our mission is simple. Destroy the old school system that holds people back and build a new one based on merit and results. Think of it as the anti-establishment for the new economy. And here's why we're different. First off, we're not some corporate media giant funded by billionaires and politicians. We're fueled by you, the community. Every like, comment, and share motivates us to bring you the best content. Second, we keep it 100 real. No fancy jargon, no lies, just actionable steps to level up. We show you how to succeed in today's world without playing by the old rules. Third, it's all about impact. We're not satisfied with empty promises or small wins. Our goal is to help you make real wealth and change your life for the better. We talk about making $10,000, $50,000, even $100,000 a month, because why not? Fourth, we're not here to entertain you. We're here to push you to be your best self. We call it like it is, and we challenge you to do the same. No more excuses. Fifth, we're global. We believe that anyone, anywhere, can build wealth and success. It doesn't matter where you're from. If you're hungry to win, we got your back. Finally, it's all about action. We don't believe in get-rich-quick schemes or luck. We're all about taking smart risks and working hard to reap the rewards. We're your squad, your support system, your motivation. We're here to guide you every step of the way. So if you're ready to join the movement, hit subscribe. This is the beginning of your journey. Now check out the next video to see the latest tech tools that can make you 100Ks in less than 6 months. Don't miss out.